Hello students, welcome to our English class. Our today's lesson is capital letters 2. So students, you must be knowing the alphabets from A to Z. You must have been studied alphabet letters in your previous class. तर तुम्ही अल्फाबेट्स जे इंग्लिश मधील अल्फाबेट्स आहेत A to Z हे तुम्ही तुमच्या आधीच्या वर्गात शिकलेला असाल. So always there is a pattern of writing everything. So in the same way, today we are going to see the pattern of writing alphabets. There is pattern in the sequence to develop our speed. तर अल्फाबेट्स लिहिण्याचं देखील काही पद्धती आहेत व ते योग्य क्रमाने कसं लिहावं किंवा ते अक्षरं लिहिताना लेटर्स लिहिताना ते योग्य क्रमाने कुठला स्ट्रोक कधी किंवा केव्हा कुठल्या क्रमाने जावा की कुठल्या क्रमाने लिहावा हे आपण बघायचं आहे. So we will start by seeing the alphabets one by one. So as you all know the alphabets, it starts from A and end to Z. We will once say the alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W and U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Okay, so we know the alphabets. Now we will see the method of writing the alphabets in a proper sequence. आपल्याला alphabets ही माहित आहेत, पण त्याचं योग्य क्रमाने लिहिण्याची पद्धत व त्याची sequence आपण आता पाहूया. We will start from the letter A. You can see this first stroke, which is the slanting line. Okay, we use the slanting line. What is slanting line? This is slanting line. So again we will use this slanting line we use to write the letter A. We will use here 1. This is the first step of writing A. Second stroke, then the sleeping line, and we have done with our letter A. Okay, now we will move forward to the letter B. How it is written? Some of you maybe have the style of writing like this. You can see here, but this is a wrong way. We will see the right way of writing B in a proper order, in proper sequence. First, standing line. This is the first step. Again the half curve, and again the second half curve, and we are done with the letter B. See here, 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 steps for writing letter B. Now we will move forward to the letter C. C is a single step for writing C. But how we will write? Some of the students, how they write C here? They write like this. But is it the correct way? No, this is not a correct way. ही C लिहिण्याची करेक्ट पद्धत आहे का? नाही. C लिहिण्याची करेक्ट पद्धत आपण पाहूया. C लिहिण्यासाठी फक्त एक स्टेप यूज होतो, तो आहे असा, वरून खाली, from upwards to downwards. You should write C like this, the half curve. Okay, we will move forward to letter D. Now I have shown you, some of you write D. First what you will do, you will draw a half curve and then you will draw a line. For example, I can show you like this. Some of students, what they do, 1 and 2. Is it the right way? No, it is not a right way. We will see the right way, the right sequence of writing D. First, the standing line. Second, half semicircle, half circle we can see. This is the correct way of writing D. So now which letter is remaining? A, B, C, D and E. Now we will do letter E. We'll see how to write letter E. Now I must say there are many lines in letter E, like 1, 2, 3, like this. This is the right way of writing E? No, this is the wrong way. Now we will see the right way of writing letter E. First what we have to do? Make a line. This is the first step. second, third and fourth. Now we have 3 sleeping lines and 1 standing line. And what is the sequence? 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We used 4 lines, total 4 lines we used to write the letter E. And we'll move forward to F. Now, how some of students write F, we'll see first the wrong method, which you make mistakes. What mistakes you made in writing letter F? You must be doing like this. But this is the wrong method. This is the wrong method. We'll see the correct method. It is as simple and as equal as letter E. First, standing line and then 2 and 3. 2 sleeping lines. Like 1, 2 and 3. Okay, there are 3 strokes for writing letter F. And also we have seen the correct sequence. Now we will move forward for the next alphabets, for the next letters. We will start from the letter G. Obviously, after F what comes? G. So we will see how to write G. Now, there are many ways of writing letter G, but I will show you the correct way. Some of the students, how they write? This is the wrong method. Yes, we write G like this, but this is not a correct method of writing G. How G should be, I will show you now. 1, what we'll do, we'll draw first, we'll write first C, letter C. Okay, half circle 1, we'll make it little upwards, then we'll make a line here and then like this. This is the correct way of writing letter G. Okay, now we have done with A, B, C, D, E, F, G and now we'll move towards H. Now, how you write H must be, you maybe have been habit of following the wrong method, like you must be have doing the sleeping line first and then the standing line, but this is the wrong method. Now we see the right sequence of writing letter H. 1, standing line first, 2, again standing line and then 3. There are 3 strokes for writing letter H. First, second and third. Now we move forward I, towards letter I. See, sleeping line first, then again second sleeping line and then the third standing line. So we have seen the letter I like 1, 2 and 3. 3 lines we have to draw, write totally 3 lines and this is the proper way of writing letter I. Now we will do letter J. We will see how to write letter J. Now, how is your pattern of writing J? Must be like this. First we will do this and then the sleeping line. Is it a correct way? No, this is the wrong method. Now we will see the right method. How to write letter J? First, sleeping line. Line number 1, which is sleeping line. 1 and then 2 and then 3. There are 3 steps for writing letter J. 1, 2 and then 3. Okay, students? Now we will move to the next letter. Now we move to the letter K. First standing line, okay, then slanting line and then line number 3. Let's see, line 1, line 2 and line 3 and our K is done. We have done till letter K. Now we will move forward to letter L. Now how you write L? Some of you must be writing like this and then this in this way, but this is the wrong way. Okay, this is the wrong way. We will see the right strokes, right sequence. Okay, line number 1 and then 2 and we are done with the letter L. This is the right way of writing letter L. Now we will move towards M. Now see how to write M. what some of the students what mistake they do, we will see that first. They do like this, okay, or they must be doing like this. This is the wrong way. We'll see the right way, the correct way of writing letter M. First standing line, okay, then again the slanting line. We'll go step by step, okay. We will not just jump to the another line and then we will draw the letter V. No, we will do step by step. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now students, which is the next letter? Letter N. Now we will see how to write letter N. 1, 2 and then 3. We have done with the N. 1, 2 and 3. 2 straight lines and 1 slant line. And we are done with the letter N. Now we will move forward to the letter O. Now how to write O? Let us see the first wrong method, that which mistake you makes, and then we will correct the mistake. We does like this. Is it a correct way? No. O should always start from the right side. Like every letter is also always started with the right side. So in the same way, we will write this O in a proper way. Then we will move forward. Till then we will see, have a check. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and what is next? Next is P. Then we will see how to write letter P. First, standing line, line number 1, line number. Then second part is the semicircle, the half circle, which completes the letter C. 1 and 2. This is the right letter. We'll move to the letter Q. Now, I have always said we have to start from the right side. Okay, we have to, what some of the student does, they start from the left side and then they make the slanting line which is inside the Q, but this is wrong method. We will see the right method of writing letter Q. First, a circle and then Q. Line which is slanting will come from up towards down. We should not do like this. We have to do it in this way. So there are two methods, 1 and 2. There are 2 steps to write the letter Q. Now we will move forward to the letter R. What some of the student does, how they write R, we will see that. What they does, they do first like this, then like this, then in this way. But this is the right way? No, it is the wrong way. These steps are totally wrong. We'll see the correct sequence of letter R. First line, standing line, 1, then again 2, and then the last 3. This is the letter R in correct format, letter R. Now we'll move forward towards letter S. Okay, now let's see how some of the students make mistakes and write in a improper way. Like some of the students starts from the down side. Like this. Is it the right way? No, it is the wrong way. It is wrong. We will see how to do write letter S. Have you seen this? 1, done, and again the 2 C we have to do, but in a straight manner and one in the behind manner, and we are done with the letter S. Now we move forward for the letter T. Many of the students, how they write T, what they do, they first make the standing line and then the sleeping line, but this is the wrong way. These are the wrong steps for writing letter T. This is wrong. So what we will do, we will make T in a proper step, like C. 1, 2, 1 sleeping line and 1 standing line. First what we have to do? First we have to make a sleeping line and then we have to make 1 standing line, and we are done with the letter T. Now we will move forward to letter U. Now how some of the students make U, write U, will see this. they make from left to right. But always I have told you again and again that we have to write from right to left, not from left to right. So in the same way manner, we will write the letter U from right to left, and we are done with the letter U. Okay, we'll move forward. What comes after U? V, and we'll see how to draw V. So there are two slanting lines in the letter V, and I have told you from right to left, but what some of the student does, they make the lines from left to right like this, in this way, but this is wrong. Okay, we'll see the right way. Two lines we need to draw V. Which are those lines? Two slanting lines, like one and then two. Okay, we don't have to make V like this. No, this is the wrong method. How we have to write the letter V? 1 and 2. Always for writing letter V, we have to start from upper side, not from the down side, for both the strokes. Okay. Now next letter W. How to write W? We'll see that from left to right. No, this is the wrong way. This is wrong way. We have to draw a right letter W from right to left. Like I will show you. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Have you seen my strokes? 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this way, this is the correct method of writing letter W. Now for the last, X. See how I am writing letter X? Have you seen this? From upper to down and again from upper to down. Okay, what some of the student does? They start from upper to down, but they again make a mistake which goes from down to upwards. That is wrong. We always have to start from upper to down method. Now one more letter is remaining. Okay, we'll do letter Y. Okay, now we'll see the correct way of writing letter Y. We have some space here. We will see here. What some of the students does? They first make the slanting line, and then they make another small slanting line. But this is the wrong method of writing Y. This is wrong. You see the correct method of writing letter Y. First, what we have to do? We have to make the small slanting line first. Okay, we are done with the small slanting line. Then the second, and we are done with the letter Y. How we have put on the strokes? 1 and then 2, and we are done with the letter Y. And for the last, which is the last letter, as you all know, the letter Z. Now we'll see how to write letter Z. What some of the student does, they start from the down towards upwards, but how we have to do? We have to do from upwards to downwards. Now we'll see how to write letter Z. But we'll first see what mistakes you make while writing letter Z. What you do, you make first two lines, okay, and then you make the slanting line. But is it the correct way? No, this is the wrong way. We'll see how to write letter Z step by step. First sleeping line, then slanting line, and again the sleeping line, and we are done with the letter Z. See, 1, 2 and 3. We use 3 lines, but in a proper sequence. As you have seen, all letters we have done in a proper sequence, which we see the important tips for writing all the letters. First tip, we have to write the letters from right to left. पहिली टिप कोणती आहे? तुम्हाला प्रत्येक लेटर राइट टू लेफ्ट लिहायचं आहे. Tip number 2, we have to write a letter from upwards to downwards. We never have to write the letters from downward to upwards. This is the wrong way. So tip number 2 तुमची काय आहे? कोणतेही अक्षर लिहिताना तुम्हाला वरून खाली जायचं आहे, खालून वर केव्हाही जायचं नाही. So these are the tips for writing all these alphabets, and I hope you have learned the proper way of writing the alphabets to improve your speed and to write in a proper way.